Meaning of free range.
Free range.
Free range.
Free range.
Free range. Free range refers to a method of farming where animals are allowed to roam freely outdoors rather than being confined to cages or pens. This allows them to behave naturally, forage for their own food, and engage in social interaction with other animals. The resulting meat, eggs, and dairy products are believed to be healthier and more ethical, as the animals are able to live in a more natural environment. Additionally, this farming method promotes sustainable agriculture by reducing the need for intensive factory farming practices that are harmful to the environment.